Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly US dollar yen, I still think this is the end of a correction right here. If that is the end of a correction, then this will actually end up continuing the downtrend, most likely taking out this low and eventually probably taking out this low down here and continuing the downtrend. But we do have to remember that we are on the monthly, so this is going to take a very, very long time to play out. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see this first sets in a downtrend, the lower lows, lower highs. I still think this is most likely going to be a 1. I think this move up went right to the 38%, as you can see, made a nice impulsive turn down. I think we may have already had the end of a wave 2, and I think this move up here is just going to be a correction to this last move down, and that we're just going to keep on trending down for what I think is a wave 3. So keep on going down while keeping that in mind to the daily. On the daily, I think this is an A, B, C correction right here, maybe even a wave 2. This right here definitely looks to me like a trend, probably like a 1 of 3. I think this is going to make 3 waves up to make a 2 of 3, probably right to one of these 2 Fibonacci levels, make a nice impulsive turn, ending this correction, and most likely continuing the downtrend. So I am definitely looking for the end of this move up on the shorter time frames for an entry to go short for the continuation of what I think may end up being a big wave 3 on the longer time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can see this uptrend. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This move down definitely a little more trend-like. That's definitely a motive wave correction, but I think it is a wave B. And this right here is definitely an uptrend for what is probably a wave C. Now it kind of looks like it needs to make like a wave 5 and push up again, but looking at some of these other dollar pairs, it kind of looks like it's already trying to turn. It's definitely bouncing out to 50%, so if this continues to maintain momentum, I would say that's the end of a correction, and I would definitely take that as either an opportunity to go short or an opportunity to look for more shorts on the much shorter time frames for the end of this correction. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, like I said, it does kind of look like this move down needs to be a correction and it needs to go up one more time, especially with how strong this last move up is. So definitely don't be surprised if it does go up one more time like this and then turn down and take out structure. But really, we don't have any confirmation that that is even going to happen. Pretty much all the higher time frames, the trend is definitely still down. So even though this move down does look kind of corrective, I really wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on drifting down. So I'm definitely going to be looking for shorts, especially on shorter time frames, unless it makes a big impulsive engulfing turn. Then I will look for longs again. But as of now, I definitely think the trading plan needs to be looking for shorts in a downtrend, especially on the shorter than 1 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.